This program is second PUC Science, Karnataka State Board, lab manual programs we are recording. So we have C++ and data structures second PUC programs. So program one is write a C++ program to find the frequency presence of an element in an array. As we are working with the C++, or programs have to be written with respect to the classes only, by using classes only. So what do you do? First, the logic is what? What is the program about? See, array means we know it holds group of values. For example, like this. So it contains some set of elements. Think that this is an array. Where these are the set of elements present in it. What we want to do is the element, the name of the array is, say, let us call AR. The element what I want to search is, it is in the ELE. Say it is 7. And I want to know how many times it is appeared. See, frequency, presence of an element in an array. So this 7 has to be cross-checked with every element of the array. Wherever it gets equal, right? Wherever this ELE, the value present in this variable, gets matched with this, that means the element is found. So for this, hash include IOStream and using namespace std should be there. I'll say class. I'll say the name of the program class. I'll call it as a frequency. And in this, array is what, say, A of 50. And we need n and the element, right? And the element, then count equal to 0. These are the values of variables we have declared. This initialization we can do in the method also, the function. These are the variables in the private section. I'm declaring these variables. Even though if you are not writing a keyword private, it is until you write public, whatever you are written before public keyword, that is all it's going to be in private section only. Now we'll have public, where in this we'll have functions, member functions, void read data, void will say count frequency. I'll write, you can write any name for this, void display, right? And then I'll close this. I'll write the definition for this. So for writing definition, first void, the name of the class frequency, scope resolution operator, read data. So in the read data, what we do, see out, enter the number of elements you want to enter in the array. We'll have seen, yeah. And now see out enter the elements. And then here we'll say scene. So we need to ask n number of element, no? So int I equal to 0. For loop we need to take I is less than n, I plus plus. Here we'll say scene P of I. The name of the array is what? A. I have given it as A. If you want, you can replace it to ER, or here only I'll change it. I'll make it as K. Now I'll ask what element they want to search for. Enter the element to check frequency. Which element's frequency you want to check? Frequency. Fine. And now after that, now we have to go for count frequency. So the name of class is frequency, scope resolution operator, count frequency, and here we'll initialize count variable to 0 initially. And again, we need to have a for loop. And here, if element present in the array A, if it is equal to, see, for storing the searching element, I have taken it as ELE. But here I wrote frequency, it is wrong. So we have to write ELE. If E of I, the element present in the array, if it is equal to the ELE, value present in the ELE means searching value, then what do? You increment the count plus plus, right? Count plus plus, that's all. And here closing brace of for. Now we'll say cow void frequency scope resolution operator display. So here we have to display. So we'll say ELE present in the array. How many times? Count times. Count times. Now we have to call all this. The name of the class is frequency. Say f equal to f. And then using that f, we'll call all the function, read data, and f dot count frequency and f dot display. Okay, let us execute and see. Run this. There are some errors. Int I is equal to 0, I should write. So here I equal to syntactical error. All right. Now it says wide frequency has not been declared. What is the name of the class? Frequency. Array count was not declared in this scope. Let us check. See, the error is about this is not been declared. Line number 41 here. Here the problem is double Q is there. So one Q you delete and execute syntactical error. It is also, see, enter the number of elements you want to enter in the array, say 5. So enter the elements. I'll enter 7, 4, 7, 5, 7. What element you want to check? 7 on. So it will say 7 present in array 3 times, or 7's frequency is 3 times. It is working. This is the program. Right, if you want to take the screenshot. No. Yes. Fine. This is program number 1. Now, let us go with the next question in the next video.